Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Mondi Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 50 of half yearly and there is no SW today. So my dear student, our today's topic name is chapter 13 and name of the chapter is data arrangement. From the chapter we shall solve two CBQ problem as your CW, CBQ-1 and CBQ-2. Okay my dear student, let us start our class. Here I have already written two questions, question CBQ number 1 and CBQ number 2, and the question is solved here also. Okay, so at first we solve question number 1. Please notice, following are the marks secured in mathematics by 30 students. That means some numbers are given which is the marks of mathematics of 30 students, okay, which are 71, 75, 63, 75, 51, 75, 57, 75, 52, 70, 75, 72, 58, 63, 69, 71, 60, 61, 69, 53, 52, 72, 72, 72, 52, 63, 54, 55, 55, 69. So number A question, what is data? Number A question, what is data? B number question, what is the difference between the highest and lowest number? C number, arrange the data. My dear student, we shall solve these three problems. Okay, what is data? This is the definition of data, and data means data is the number based information. So A number answer is data is number based information. I repeat, data is number based information. This is the definition of data, right? I hope you have understood, and please memorize this. What is data? Data is number based information. So do you want to some example? Yes, please notice, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Dear student, notice Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Okay, this is an information. This is an information, but not data, because there is no number here. So if I write here the population of Dhaka is more than 1 crore, more than 1 crore. This is data because it has number which is 1 crore, right? So data is number based information, right? Okay, next question number B, what is the difference between the highest and lowest number? So easy question, and I hope you can easily understand. Okay, and you can easily solve this by yourself, no need to help from me. Okay, so in order to find out the difference between highest value and lowest value, so at first we need to find out which one is the largest number among this data and which one is the smallest number among this data. Okay, so given that the lowest number, what is the lowest number? The lowest number among this number is this one, that means 51. So we write this, the lowest number is 51. And now we find out the highest number. Where is the highest number? Highest number is 75. Highest number is 75. So I write here the highest number is 75. Now we need to find out the difference. How can we do subtract from the lowest number from highest number? Then we get the difference. So the difference equal to highest value 75 minus lowest value 51. So 75 minus 51. Now we subtract. If we subtract 1 from 5 we get 4. If we subtract 5 from 7 then we get 2. So 24 is the answer of this question, right? Okay, next C number question, arrange the data. My dear students, so easy question, and we have already learned this from class 1, right? Write in number in ascending order, write in number in descending order, just like this. Here is the data, but so the question asks you to find out arrange the number in ascending order or descending order. You can choose any one. So now we arrange the data in ascending form, which is given below. That means we arrange the data in ascending order, but if you arrange the number in descending order, then it will be okay. So here I arrange this data in ascending form, which is 51, 52, 52, 52, 53, 54, 55, 55, 57, 58, 60, 61, 63, 63, 63, 69, 69, 69, 70, 71, 71, 72, 72, 72, 72, 75, 75, 75, 75 and 75. Just we arrange the number in ascending order, and here is the answer. I hope you have understood. Okay, next question, 2 number question. The height of students, the height is given in centimeter, bracket in centimeter. The height of students are given below. So 130, 132, 134, 128, 121, 123, 138, 124, 134, 139, 122, 124, 126, 128, 123, 126, 130, 131, 137, 135. And A number question, arrange the data in increasing order. This time the question indicate you to arrange the data in increasing order, that means ascending order, so smaller to larger. Okay, B number, find out the race. Find out the race is just like the difference between the highest value and lowest value, but the range formula is highest number minus lowest number plus 1. Okay, we put the highest value and lowest value after solving, then we get range. Okay, so B number done. C number, arrange the data taking 5s class interval. That means we need to prepare a table by using 5s class interval. Okay, so at first we solve question number A, arrange the data in increasing order. It is so easy question, and I hope you have already learned this question. The data in increasing order is given below: 121, 122, 123, 123, 124, 124, 126, 126, 128, 128, 130, 130, 131, 132, 134, 134, 135, 137, 138 and 139. My dear student, I arrange this number in ascending order. Cause why ascending order? Because the question asks us to find the arrange the number in increasing order, but this time you don't use descending order. Cause why? Because increasing order is given. Okay, then B number question, find out the range. So before starting to solve this math, at first we need the formula of range. So what is the formula of range? Range equal to highest value minus lowest value plus 1. Highest value plus lowest value plus 1. So my dear student, here highest number is 139 and lowest number is 121. So I write highest number and lowest number. Now range equal to highest number minus lowest number plus 1. Okay, highest number is 139, lowest number is 129. Now we subtract and we get 18, and this plus is here. After we adding 18 with 1, then we get 19, and 19 is the answer. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, our last question, that means arrange the data taking 5s class interval. That means we need to prepare a table. So here you notice, taking 5s class interval, we arrange the data in a table which is given below. My dear student, in order to make table, we need 3 column. I repeat, we need 3 column: class interval, tally and number. I repeat, class interval, tally and number. Okay, now we need to find out the number which is the smallest one. So here smallest number is 121. So it start from 21, or you can start it from 120. But if you take 120, then it is easier for you to count, right? If you take 120, then it is easier for you to count, but if you want to take it start from 121, then it is perfectly okay, right? Okay, but here I starting it from 120, okay, as 5 intervals. So 120, 124. My dear student, at a glance you notice this sign indicates not minus sign. This is range, that means 120 to 124. That means you start from 120, 121, 122, 123 and 124. That means is interval 5, right? 120, 121, 122 and 124. That's this time the interval is 5. Similarly, as it 124 done, then it start from 125, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. So 129 done. Then we start from 129, start from 130. So 130, 31, 32, 33, 34, on 34. Then start from 35, 135, 136, 137, 138 and 139, right? So these are the class interval 120 to 124, 125 to 129, 130 to 134, 135 to 139. My dear student, now we notice between 120 and 124 in this interval how many numbers are there. So please notice the arranging number in question number A. So it's from one initial point 120, terminal point 124. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Notice 124. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here I write 6. And how can we write tally marks? Notice 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4. We write 4 and 5 is written just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here the number is 6. So another one is also drawn. So we draw 5 sticks and on single stick. So this is 6. So first one is done. Next, from 125 to 129, how many numbers are there? Notice 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many number? 4 number. We write 4 tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 4 is written here. Okay, now we consider this interval 130 to 134. Now count 130 to 134. 130, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much? 6 number. So we write as usual 1, 2, 3, 4, this 5 and this 6, and this 6 is written here in number. That means this is 6. Now we consider this interval 135 to 139. In this interval how many numbers are there? Notice 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 is written here and tally marks. That means we draw 4 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4. For each number we take 1 stick. Okay. So 4 and this 4 is here. Now we find out the total. So here total equal to 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. If we add, then we get 20, because we know the total number of 20. From where? From this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My dear student, this is 20. If this is 20, then your answer is right. But if it will be less than 20 or more than 20, that means your answer is wrong. So finally you check your answer by yourself if your answer is right or wrong. I hope you have understood. So my dear student, this is our today's lecture of chapter 13, and these 2 CBQ is enough for this half yearly exam. Okay, you must practice this, and if you have any problem to understand this type of math, please ask your question, ask your live class teacher to understand this. Okay. Okay, my dear student, your live class teacher will help you to understand, and you may also contact with me by this number or my messenger ID. My messenger ID is just like my name. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, and prepare yourself for half yearly exam. So my dear student, thank you.